Okay, round 2. Seems our jack is a little out of reach, so we found a giant rock. One of the things I learned first when I came here was a little phrase called TIA, or an acronym rather. This is Africa. So, there we go. We've got a rock underneath our jack.
Are we okay?
Yeah, looks good. Looks good. Keep going. Yeah. Any comments, Florent?
Yeah. I mean, that's when you travel, you're ready for anything, you know.
That's good point. That's good.
Yeah.
When you're in trouble, you reach for anything.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right, now we can do the fun part. Later.